So guys, once you enter CarX Drift Racing 2 for the first time, once you're done completing the steps, this is the result that you will see. If you want to enjoy your game without any limitations and to the fullest, all it takes is just a few steps that I will show you right now. Guys, just make sure you follow my steps and you will get the same exact result that I got. So let's go ahead and start with the whole process. Guys, as you just saw from the beginning of the video, I'll be showing you each and every step that I took to get this CarX Drift Racing 2 money glitch on my iOS and my Android device. I'll be using my iOS device for a demonstration today, but you can get this CarX Drift Racing 2 hack and mod on both iOS and Android devices. So make sure you follow along, follow each and every step to get to the result. It is so easy and it doesn't require any downloading. All it takes is just 3 to 4 minutes of your time and just your attention. So make sure you follow each and every step that I'll be showing you right now. So without further ado, let's not lose any more time and let's start with the actual tutorial.
Okay, you guys, so the first thing that I want to do is actually prep our phones. And how do we do it, you might ask? Well, the first thing that we'll do is update CarX Drift Racing 2 to its latest version. So make sure you visit your App Store or your Google Play Store and check if your app needs any updates. If it does, make sure you update it to its latest version. If it doesn't, then you are good to go. So what we'll do right now is go to our Settings app, then go to General, Background App Refresh, and then again background app refresh and switch it on for both Wi-Fi and cellular data. This is only for iOS users. This is how we prep our phones. We go and do this in the background app refresh option. Now also guys, sometimes your background app refresh option will be disabled on this screen right here. The reason for that is that you have your low power mod switched on. So make sure you go to your battery settings and check off that low power mod button to make sure that your low power mod is switched off. Now guys, for Android users, what you need to do is making sure your battery saver mode is switched off if you had it switched on. So let's go ahead and head over to our browsers now and open them. You can use any browser like Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you are used to using. I'll be using my Safari browser, and let's go to the website you see actually on the screen. So I'll first show you the website, then how to get the result. Here it is. It has many apps on it, but the one that we are interested in is the last one on the list, CarX Drift Racing 2. So tap on it once you're there. What you need to do here is input your username that you're using within the game, tap on the platform that you're using, choose the amount of money and gold that you'll be getting, and then tap on continue. Once you are done with those steps, what you'll do is wait for it to connect to your username and find the game on your phone, and once it does, you'll be seeing the value loading into your CarX Drift Racing 2 app. Guys, this is it for the whole process, though sometimes you might be asked to complete some type of process for them, and if you are, make sure you follow each and every step that they give you to get to the result. And once you're done with all those steps, just make sure you enjoy CarX Drift Racing 2 to the fullest. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a comment down below because I want to know all of your thoughts about this amazing result that we got. And make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you next time. Cheers, guys.